Hello, my name is Horst Jagmeng. I am member of the leader team of the Zyxel Support Campus in Aachen, and I want to introduce the Zyxel Multy U AC2100 Tri-Band Wi-Fi system to you. The Zyxel Multy U is available as a twin or triple set as well as a single set. Let's unpack the twin set. Inside the stylish box you can find the documentation for the installation of the product as well as a warranty card and the FCC declaration. There are two devices inside the box including accessory. The accessory is located under the devices and consists of a stand or cover which is under the device, a power plug, an UK or EU plug face, a leather belt for each device. Then you find one LAN cable, the quick start guide, warranty card and FCC declaration as announced at the beginning. If you connect the EU or UK plug face to the power supply, make sure to slide it correctly inside and let it click in. Also you can attach the leather belt as a leash to the hook. Open the cover of the first node, plug in the power supply and put the connection to the internet and let the device boot up. On the back side of the device, underneath the cover, you can find a reset button, a WAN port, LAN port, a power inlet and also a button to switch off the LED on the front side. Make sure to connect your internet access device to the WAN port of the device and let it boot up until the LED shows steady blue. For the multi-installation application, download the app from the Play Store, install it on your mobile phone and start with the configuration. First you have to select which device you want to install. Then the application guides you through the first steps which we already did in unpacking. Select the room or give it a new location name, then continue. Possibly you need to allow access to your location. First node is located and the setup is started. The search and setup can take several minutes. Just sit and relax. The application is doing all the setup for you. After the connection is established, it will be set up. Now the first setup is done. If you receive error messages, make sure that your mobile has a Bluetooth and internet connection. If your application or your device gets stuck in the setup process, you simply can use the reset button to start over again. After this step, the application will set your wireless security settings. Allow it a few more seconds to make your already active wireless more secure. And finally, the security setting is applied to the network and can be changed in your app on your mobile phone. So the first node is installed and already fills up your home with 180 square meters of wireless. For the second node, we basically follow the same steps as we did with the first node, but the second device does not need a LAN cable, only a plug-in to the mains is required. The application will do the same steps, detect the device and then transfer all settings from the first to the second multi. Now the second node is synced to the first and all the security and site settings are copied, the mesh function is established. In the next step, the application needs to find out if the distance between the two nodes is optimized, so it measures the signal strength between the two devices. If the two nodes are too close or too far away, the test will show if you have to move them, then simply unplug and start over again. In the next step, you give it a name and choose the location where the second node is located. Then your wireless network is completed. At the beginning we told you there's a single and a triple pack, so you can start to install a third or a fourth node if you need. Spread your Wi-Fi and add another 180 square meters coverage. Edit your SSID and security key in the app. You can keep the SSID and key for 2.4 and 5 GHz the same or different. Tick the box to split the settings. If the wireless is set to your needs, you can choose a speed test and user settings in the bottom of the page. The speed test shows the up and download speed as well as the mesh system speed. Use the icon right side to apply parental control to the network. For any question about our products or for multiple help, visit our support portal under support.zyxel.eu. You can find more than 600 help articles in different languages, as well as videos and our demonstration lab. If you like our unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell if you want to be notified. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.